Nepali Army Chief of Army Staff Supraljan Severi General Ashok Raj Sigdel on the third day of his official visit to India expressed his commitment for further deepening defense cooperation between Nepal and India. General Sigdel programmed today force on visiting the India defense industry in Pune. After which he left for Dehradun, he will inspect the prestigious passing out parade at the Indian Military Academy there on December 14, 2024. After reaching Dehradun, General Sigdel attending a dinner with the inspecting officer at a IMA. General Seidel, third day in India, began with visit to several key defense industry establishments, including Tata Advanced System Limited and Bharat Forge. During this visit, he interacted with senior representative of India defense sector and exchanged views. The main theme of these discussion focused on the adaptation of technology by the armies of both countries. The Nepal Army Chief praised the Indian Army Atmanirbhar initiative and the contribution of India defense industries in that direction. He also visited a static equipment display where he was familiarized with the latest and most modern equipment recently inducted into the Indian Army. After his engagement in Pune, General Sidel left for the Dehradun, where he will inspect the passing out parade at IMA on 14 December 2024. On arrival at IMA, he attended the inspecting officer dinner and integrated with faculty member and dignitaries.